illest hub thug, you know. Pillin' slugs at your mug, dealing drugs in front of the projects. My projects, more scattered, more street, making room for more trauma, more hustle, more heat. I can show you how to get American money easy. It's the gangster, all motherfuckers envy. Leave all semi-auto clips empty. Foes tempt me, I'm seeing no penitentiary. Crime scene clean, shells, no prints. Flee the shootout, Hex 5, no dents. It's meant for me to survive this gangster shit. Meant for you not to be living. Food for the pigeons, fools I'm giving. New lessons for the street. This jungle I'm from B don't breed no weak. Lames that don't know the game, please don't speak. You get killed, want me peeled. I'm showing no
every nigga out there claiming to be the illest. I don't know if y'all know, let a nigga know. I'm lost in the stipulations. Niggas hating, everybody waiting for the outcome. Whatever happened to just rapping?
Mic rapping, freestyle flow flashing, ripping up tracks and doing the thing. What you niggas know about Sean T and the gang? Who's the illest? I'm off the rack like slabs of ribs. I want it big, I ain't fucking with kids. I'm after 6-digit fiends. Fuck the rings and the tribulations, contemplating hating. This criminal lifestyle keeps me animating. This turf talk before you niggas thugging it up. It don't matter if you crippin' or blooding it up. Dallas squad bugging it up, smashing on sight. Bunny hopping on haters like BMX bikes. Fuck around with the squad and see unbearable sights. We taking gangsta shit to the maximum height. But I'm mainly in the bubbling, fast grip doubling. Big heads, I'm loving them. You feeling me, y'all? Leaving the envious and all, cause I tremendously ball. I'm supported by the game, so you know I won't fall. I'ma execute my options, keep wetting my paws, and come out unscathed with no scratches or
Every
flaws.
nigga out there claiming to be the illest. I don't know if y'all know, let a nigga know. I'm lost in the stipulations. Niggas hating, everybody waiting for the outcome. Whatever happened to just rapping?
Mic rapping, freestyle flow flashing, ripping up tracks and doing the thing. What you niggas know about Sean T and the gang? Who's the illest?
They say, damn, you rapping like you from the East Coast. Me toast, gun jammed in your throat, forgot that you spoke. Game got the streets woke, youngin'. Same nigga got the coke brungin'. Introduced the new fiends to smack. Pops told me when I was younger, you can't live like that. So I done listen to Pops, nigga, I listen to Cool G rap. Went from hustling sacks to heavyweight, shuffling and crack. Kids and preachers know me, young game, the OG. Asked the reverend, kept his church from falling, young from starving. I'm the project like Marcy or the Nickerson guard. I'm comfortable, dog, confident of Harlem. Any city, ghetto or hood. Kick back, blow, and listen to Marvin. Get head, count dough, and just sit in the apartment. AK in the sofa, I'm the illest. Who come closer to the late ones or great ones fighting over a crown? Get shot off that throne. Who the illest now?
Every nigga out there claiming to be the illest. I don't know if y'all know, let a nigga know. I'm lost in the stipulations. Niggas hating, everybody waiting for the outcome. Whatever happened to just rapping?
Mic rapping, freestyle flow flashing, ripping up tracks and doing the thing. What you niggas know about Sean T and the gang? Who's the illest? Some say the gangster mentality is dead. Imagine that, with fools pulling straps out with infrared. We're living in a time of plagues and corrupt life, where homies in the inner circle end up all trife. Trying to shine bright, but looking all dim. Meanwhile, I stay sharp like a ballpoint pen. I see the smirks and grins, but I just laugh, cause I'm getting lucrative loot, endless math. If you only knew the half of it, you wouldn't hate. But niggas just big and talk shit behind gates. Man, you can't knock the hustle, I ain't finna be greedy. I wanna exit out the game, kinda like Paul Vitti. I'm trying to slang CDs and cruise control, and set aside illegal pharmaceutical. Should I ask for your advice? Like you would know. Fuck it, I'm out to get it, I'm a fool for
Every
dough.
nigga out there claiming to be the illest. I don't know if y'all know, let a nigga know. I'm lost in the stipulations. Niggas hating, everybody waiting for the outcome. Whatever happened to just rapping?
Mic rapping, freestyle flow flashing, ripping up tracks and doing the thing. What you niggas know about Sean T and the gang? Who's the illest?